Matatanda ang inamin ng aktor na si Nico Natividad sa panayam sa kanya ni Ogie Diaz na siya ang lalaki sa kumakalat na leaked private video at labis-labis umano ang pagsisisi niya na nagpadala raw siya sa tukso noong panahong iyon. Matapos aminin ni Nico na totoong siya ang nasa kumakalat na leaked private video, naglabas ng open letter ang asawa niyang si Shelo May Eusebio sa kanyang Facebook account upang sabihin pinipili raw niyang ipaglaban ang marriage nila ng aktor. Ayon pa kay Shelo, hindi raw madali ang kanyang desisyon kahit pa matagal nang nangyari ang cheating incident. Anya, I just want to say this from my heart. I'm not pretending like nothing happened. I feel the pain every single day. Masakit na masakit. I acknowledge his mistakes and I know this is something that could have been avoided. I even prayed and asked God many times na sana panaginip lang lahat. But it's not. Nangyari na ang nangyari. And now we have to face it. Matagal man na nagawa pero same pa din yung sakit. Huwag niyo ako pagsabihan na di ko maiwan dahil wala akong choice. Meron po. Meron akong choice at ito ang pinili ko ang magpatuloy. This is not just about me as a wife anymore. It's about us as a family. Aminado naman si Shelo na siya man ay hindi pa rin lubusang naintindihan ang nangyayaring pagsubok sa pamilya nila, pero gusto raw niyang maayos ang pagsasama nila ng kanyang asawa. Dagdag pa niya, alam daw niyang mahirap lalo pat public figure ang kanyang asawa at madaling husgahan ang pagsasama nila. Anya, ako lang ang nakakaalam how painful this has been for me. The sleepless nights, the tears, the questions in my head. Pero I also know how beautiful our family is. I know what we have. And I know what we could lose. Trust is hard to rebuild. Alam na alam ko na yan. It will take time, consistency, and real change. My husband will take responsibility for what he did, and while he does that, ang focus ko ang sarili ko ang pag-heal ng puso't isipan ko. Hindi po ito madali. It's painful. It's humbling. It's uncomfortable. But if two people are willing to fight for their family, I believe things can still be fixed. Only the people who truly know us know how much we love each other. Alam nila kung paano namin ipaglaban at protektahan ang isa't isa, lalo na ang pamilya namin. What people see online is just a small part of our life. Hindi nila nakikita yung mga sacrifices, yung care, yung pagmamahalan namin behind closed doors. Those who really know us know our heart. Inilahad ni Shelo na kumakapit daw sila ni Nico sa Diyos sa kabila ng pagsubok. Dagdag pa niya, nananalangin sila ng kanyang asawa na sa tulong ng pananampalataya nila ay maghilom ang sugat na iniwan ng pagkakamali ng aktor. Anya, we are holding on to our faith in God. Siya talaga ang strength namin ngayon. And we're also holding on to the love we have for each other even if it's been tarnished, even if it's been hurt. Oo, nasaktan. Oo, nadumihan. But that doesn't mean the love is gone. Nasubok. And sometimes, love gets tested in ways we never expected. I don't know what else to say except please. Be kind. Sinabi rin ni Shelo na pinipili nila ni Nico na ayusin ang kanilang relasyon, pinipili nilang magpakatatag, at pinipili nilang protektahan ang kanilang pamilya. Dagdag pa niya, bagamat hindi perfect ang story nilang mag-asawa, totoo raw ang pagmamahal nila dahil nasa sentro ng relasyon nila ang Diyos at naniniwala silang posible pa rin ang healing at restoration. Kaya naman umapela si Shelo sa publiko na sana'y unawain ang sitwasyon ng pamilya niya. Anya, pinipili naming ayusin. Pinipili naming magpakatatag. Pinipili naming protektahan ang pamilya namin. Hindi man perfect ang story namin pero totoo ang pagmamahal namin. And with God at the center, we believe healing and restoration are still possible. Spare me and my family. Please stop being harsh. I stand with my husband despite his mistakes. I am his wife. And I am the only one who can decide for our family, not the opinions, not the noise, not the judgment. Thank you to those who sent messages with love and concern instead of hate. I appreciate you more than you know. We are trying. We are healing. And we are choosing to trust God through this. That's all I ask for, respect and kindness.